Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to paint a simple painting of a bird with watercolors. So now let's start painting. I'm going to be doing, the background is going to be a sunset. So I'm going to start with that first. And then once that's dry, I'm going to go over with some black paint and do the bird. Okay, guys, so I started with the purple and then I'm going in and I went with pink and then I'm going to start doing my red now and I'm going to blend it in and then I'm going to go to orange and then yellow. And then once that coat is dry, I'm going to go in with black and do my bird. Okay guys, so I finished painting and you guys need to make sure that your painting is fully dry before you go in with the black, because if it's wet and you go in with the black, it could completely mess up your background. So mine is very dry. I blow dried it and now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna get to actually take my pencil and sketch out my design before I go in with the black. So let's do that now. So I'm starting to draw my sketch. I drew a tree branch and here are the two birds that I drew. And now I'm gonna draw some leaves and add more detail, and then I'm gonna go in with black paint. Guys, I finished my sketch. So I had like a lot of leaves and then there are the two birds. And now I'm gonna go in with some black paint. And as you can see, my brush is really fine to get into those details. So now I'm gonna start. So I've started tracing over my, my sketch. And I'm finishing up this branch right now. Okay guys, so I finished the branch and as you can see, I actually added some flowers on here because I felt like it was missing something. So I drew some flowers and now I'm going to go in with black for the rest of the sketch. As you guys can see in my painting, these two, you know, they're lovebirds. So I decided to, I used this marker, just a Crayola marker, and I drew a little heart and colored it in. So now I finished all the leaves and the birds, as you can see. All I need to do now are the flowers. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Guys, so for the flowers, since they're like a small detail, I didn't wanna mess it up. So I'm gonna go over it with this pen Sharpie before I paint it in, like I did with the birds, since they're like small details. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, so I finished coloring these flowers and now I just need to finish this bud and the leaf. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm done. This is the painting. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!